I'm your host, Dr. Jill, and welcome to today's show. On this episode, we're going to be meeting a family devastated by ocean acidification. What is ocean acidification? Well, let's take a look.
Ocean acidification is a huge problem for our ocean's ecosystems. The ocean's rise in acidity is caused by carbon dioxide. Atmospheric carbon dioxide levels are greatly influenced by human actions like car use and the burning of fossil fuels. In fact, the CO2 levels in our atmosphere have increased by 150% over the last 200 years. About 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water, and this water, like that of large oceans, absorbs atmospheric gases like CO2. When the carbon dioxide reacts with the water, it produces ions, and most importantly, carbonic acid, H2CO3. This new addition of carbonic acid changes oceanic pH levels. A decrease from 8 to 7.9 has been observed, and because the pH scale is in fact logarithmic, this equates to a 30% increase in acidity. This increase in acidity especially affects small organisms at the bottom of the food chain. The calcium carbonate shells of snails and clams cannot withstand the high carbonic acid levels. These species will begin to diminish, and their predators, like fish and terrapins, will begin to disappear as well. This chain reaction will affect the ocean's diverse population. Ocean acidification can devastate the entire food chain. Now back to Dr. Jill.
Please welcome our guests, Sheldon and Michelle. Now, what has it been like living under the effects of ocean acidification?
Thanks for having us on the show, Dr. Jill. Life has been so hard lately. The calcium carbonate in our shells is beginning to disintegrate.
Without our shells, we can't live. We are part of a carefully balanced ocean food chain, and if we start to disappear, so will our larger ocean friends, like the fish and turtles.
That is tragic. Just tragic.
Our diverse ocean population cannot adjust to this drastic change in acidity. All species are affected by ocean acidification. We're already starting to lose crucial populations of the ocean food chain. We're concerned for the future generations of these species. We need everyone's help.
How can we help you?
Humans can reduce their use of fossil fuels from cars and factories. They can walk or bike or use public transportation instead of driving. This will reduce the amount of carbon dioxide emitted into the atmosphere.
There's no immediate solution to this problem of ocean acidification. But if we all cut down on fossil fuel use now, we can help save our beautiful planet Earth in the long run.